A perfect Brazilian wax shouldn't hurt. It should glide. Welcome to the Silk Brazilian Waxing Masterclass, where I share the science and technique behind a truly gentle, long-lasting wax. I'm here at the Institute of Human Physiology, merging beauty, body science, and medical precision. Today, let's unlock the secrets to mastering the Brazilian wax the right way, with less pain, fewer bumps, and results that stay silky for weeks. First things first. Anatomy. If you want to wax safely, you've got to know the landscape. The pubic area has 3 key zones: the mons pubis up top, the labia majora and minora in the middle, and then the perineum and intergluteal line. Yep, right between the cheeks. These areas have super-sensitive nerves, thin skin, and dense hair, so your technique and temperature control matter. The goal isn't just hair removal, it's protecting the skin's barrier. Now prep is everything. Before you even think about waxing, the skin needs to be clean, dry, and oil-free. Here's my pro sequence. Cleanse with a mild antibacterial soap. Exfoliate gently 24 hours before. Trim long hair to about 1/4 inch and swipe on a pre-wax oil. Clinical studies show this prep can cut post-wax inflammation by up to 40%. That's smoother results with less redness. Not all waxes are created equal either. For a Brazilian, go for high-quality hard wax or sugar wax. Hard wax is best for coarse hair. Sugar wax is perfect for sensitive skin. Keep your wax at 43 to 45 degrees Celsius. Just warm enough to melt, never to burn. Always test it on your wrist first. So, what's the silk method? Hold the skin taut. This can reduce pain by 1/3. Apply wax thinly with hair growth. Pull swiftly against it. Ask your client to exhale during removal. It relaxes their muscles and helps with the sting. Press your palm to the spot right after. This calms nerves and soothes the skin. And remember, never go over the same spot more than twice. After waxing, treat that skin like royalty. Cool compress for 5 minutes, dab on aloe or witch hazel, and avoid tight clothes, hot showers, and sex for 24 hours. Exfoliate after 48 hours. Dermatologists say it can cut ingrowns by 60%. Want smoothness that lasts? Moisturize daily. Stick to your waxing cycle every 4 to 6 weeks. Don't shave in between. That only disrupts follicle growth. Over time, hair grows back softer, lighter, and slower, leaving skin smooth for longer. A perfect Brazilian wax isn't about pain. It's about precision, patience, and physiology. When technique meets science, smoothness becomes effortless. If you found this masterclass helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share to champion evidence-based beauty. This